Right, so this video is basically I'm going to go through the cheapest way, the best way and the cheapest that I can think of getting a replacement key for my second-hand new to me Honda Civic MK9 estate. Obviously I'm using the estate so I can carry more for things like fishing trips. I love the Mark 8 that I had, everyone knows about it. So videos will continue in the Mark 8, but because I didn't sell it, I gave it to a family member. So the Mark 8 videos will continue. But now I've also got a Mark 9, and so this is one of the videos for the Mark 9. I've only got one key. So it's very, very, very illogical in my view to only have one working key, because you can lose it, you've lost your car. Simple as that. There's no two ways around it. You lose it, you lost your car, and I don't know how much it will cost if you couldn't get into your car. Or let's say I took it to the beach, dropped the key onto the sands, couldn't find the key. If I had a second key, I could call someone like a family member to go and pick up my key, drive it to me. It's a big pain, but they could do it, and I could just get the car and start it and go with the spare key. But no key, no car. And I don't know. It's possible you can't even get into it, but there's probably a call out fee, opening a car fee, hassle fee, and then probably about £1,000, £1,000 or something. So I'm at Tesco's, one of the Tesco's. So you need something, if I remember rightly, I've got to get the terminology right. For a Timpson's, Timpson's that do the keys, you need something called, and I wrote this down, is it MVP, I think it's called? You need, yes, MVP. They could do this job, apparently, if they've got all the parts in, it's 149. If they need to outsource the parts, it's 183. So not every Timpson's is an MVP. So you'd have to go to one of them, ask them if they are or not. When I was at Timpson's yesterday, I said, what about if I just get some of these people that come out to the car when you're at home? And they said, well, what you call that is they might give me equivalent 150 to do the job, but then they'll charge 100 for the call out. What else was I going to say? The key. I said, can't you just clone my key? I'll give you it now if I go to one of the MVP Timpsons. They said no, because they have got to use the car to do the programming. So it's not just cloning this key. They can't stick it in a machine and copy it. It comes from the car. So basically, I'm going to pop in the Timpsons, and hopefully there's not a big queue. But I parked it near the entrance, so hopefully they don't have to walk too far. Alright, I'll give you the result in a minute. Alright, that's it, job done. The one in my hand is the new one. Buttons are in a different configuration, but that's fine. 149 he charged me because he had the parts. It took a while. It needs some sort of software update, and you had to fiddle around it a few times, so it took a bit longer than expected, but there it is. 149, probably the cheapest way you can get a new set of keys for your car, and this is a 2014 model. Whereas before I had the Ford Mondeo, you see me produce my own duplicate car key. I basically filed down the shaft, got a blank, filed it down till it matched the look of the old one, and then used my scan tool, DS708, to program it. But you can't do it for the 2014 model anyway. The Ford Mondeo was 2003. So anyway, modern cars, cheapest option I can think of. Anyway, cars in the 2014 range sort of time period, take it to Timpson's. As far as I can tell, it's the cheapest option.